I was going through, a transition myself. Breath has been really helpful. Uh, the exercises you have taught me is helping me sleep better and to stay grounded and, be focused on the things that I'm trying to accomplish during this transition. It's already also been very helpful with my sons. I have a son that's disabled, and he's been coming here for some sessions, and he's reporting to me that it's really helping him with his anxiety, actually more than seeing a therapist. So he's very invested in coming, so very grateful for that.
Yeah, I've really enjoyed working with your son, Michael. He is so bright, and this is wonderful light. And yet, through some of this regulation of breath work, just to be able to have him be able to just shine brighter and but in a way of confidence is what I'm seeing come out in Michael. So it excites me, and that's why I'm here.
I remember having a conversation with him and we were kind of reflecting on his time with you. And I said, well, did it help? And he was like, yeah, I was helped. And it's just the first time that I've heard him respond that way. What he's in his 30s now. We've been navigating this disability since he was a little boy, and it's the first time I've gotten that kind of response. So what I like about your approach, which is different from others that I've tried, is that you bring this calm and presence with you that the client can absorb. The other things I've tried, it seemed like it was too harsh, and the screaming and holding your breath to the point where you're about to faint. I didn't really resonate with me, but when I come here, when I leave, I feel very grounded and calm in a different way.
How do you feel?
Good.
You relaxed? Good.